Hey guys, it's me, 1-1 Draft Horses 10. I'm here with a dog. All some of this stuff I got a couple weeks ago, some of it I got today. So, sorry, had to get something out. Cash! Okay, so this is the Shed Pal. I got this at the dollar store. It was only $1, so we figured we'd try it. Really quiet, see. And then the hair touches down here. It works okay. I mean, it works pretty good on my dog's head and stuff. And then next, I got this treat pouch, and this is from PetSmart. It just holds treats. And then I got Milk-Bone Minis also. Those are in the other room because I was training my dog a couple weeks ago. So, the last thing I got, sorry, I knew this was a really short video. Oh well. I'll make another Bath and Body Works haul video right after this too. Okay, so the last thing I got was this pet training clicker. Yeah, look, he heard me. Come here, Cash. So, Cash.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.